Ketso is a hands-on kit for creative engagement and learning in face-to-face workshops. Ketso Connect is a pandemic-inspired innovation that puts the power of this tactile, visual learning and communication tool into the hands of individuals. This versatile kit can be used in self-directed work, in small groups, or with hundreds of participants at the same time via platforms such as Zoom and Padlet. This video condenses a 1-hour workshop to 1 minute. Compact enough to be sent by post, over 1,500 students and professionals are already benefiting from Ketso Connect. This washable kit can be used again and again in many different ways, including study, writing essays and reports, and project planning. It gives us a new way to learn both together and apart.